Hello everyone, my name is Divi. I am the student of Ranjit Raj Canva Mentorship Program. Basically, I am a person who is not having any knowledge about graphic designing. When I heard about Canva, I started looking for a good Canva programs. Thank God I found Ranjit Raj because they are amazing. They know each and everything about Canva. They are experts in that. The way they teach, the way they show practically how to create any kind of design is really helpful for anyone. If you are a person who is not at all having any designing background, or if you are having a basic knowledge of graphic designing, anyone can easily understand the way they are teaching. After joining their program, I was so confident about graphic designing and Canva, and I was handling a page named Divi Sign where I was sharing my knowledge about Canva. And also, I started giving sessions to others about Canva and conducted a workshop and earning with Canva sessions also. So, if you are a person who is looking for a good Canva training program, then I would strongly recommend you to go for Ranjit Raj because they are simply amazing and you will never feel bad for joining their program. Thank you and all the best.